So just now I showed you how we can embed a Facebook post or status into Author, and now I'm going to try whether we can embed this video also from Facebook. Okay, and I mentioned earlier in which when we want to embed a post from Facebook, we just look at these three buttons. Okay, we click on this and we'll try to find the embed code here, link here, but it is not available here. So there's another way to find out whether we can embed or not. Okay, another one is by using this button, share, right? So now we can embed because it is already here. Just embed, and then it will, there's one box will appear here, and wait for the code to be generated. So once this appears here, we can copy and paste it into our website. In our case, it is Author. So let's say we want to, okay, just tick here or untick here. So let's, okay, just tick here, and then this is a code. There's a symbol here. We just click on this, copy to clipboard. Okay, so it is already copied. Then again we go back to Author, and then we start to create new post, and then we embed, and this one will appear here. And compared to this post FB status, okay, when we click on this, okay, it will launch, okay, a new tab to Facebook. But for video, we just, okay, it can be played over here directly. Okay, when we click on this video, it won't launch a new tab. Okay, now let's try to embed a post from Instagram. Okay, so we need to log into our Instagram. This is my account. Okay, and it is pretty straightforward actually. Okay, we just try to find, okay, to identify which post that we want to share. Must be something related to perhaps our course. Right. Okay, so let's say this is the one from Buditin DB3. So we can share this by clicking on these three dots here, and then embed. Okay, and include caption or do not include caption, it is up to us. Okay, so I will include caption, and then copy, embed. Embed code copied. Again, we go back to this, okay, Author, and then as usual, we will create new post, and then copy, okay, the code into the editor, and this is the output. Okay, sometimes, okay, it appears that the photo just now doesn't appear here, but you can check, okay, using mobile version, mobile phone on Author, it is actually there. Okay, and again, when we click on this post, okay, a new tab will be launched, will be open, and that will be on Instagram. So that is how we can embed post from Instagram over here. Okay, so just click here. Okay, click the three dots, and then embed, and then copy. Okay, so that is a simple way, easy, quick way. Okay, however, there is an important note here in which we need to know. Okay, for Instagram, okay, for Facebook, okay, the post must be in public, okay, posted as public. But for Instagram, usually, okay, the profile of the person, okay, must be public. So if it is private, so it is quite impossible for us to embed that into our author, right? So now we are going to move into the last one, that will be Twitter, right? So in Twitter, almost the same as Instagram, very simple way for us to embed. Okay, first of all, we have to identify, okay, which one. All right, so we just, there's one on the top right of the post there. There's one arrow button. Okay, down arrow, is it? Okay, and then we click here. Okay, we click here, and then we choose embed tweet. Okay, so there will be one new page, okay, being launched, being opened up. So basically, okay, for Facebook, okay, Instagram, and so on, it is easier possible if we want to embed. Okay, we use the web-based, or sorry, the desktop, okay, version. Okay, not using the mobile phone. Okay, so it will ask us what would you like to embed. Okay, this is the link. Then we just click over here. Okay, now the code is ready. Okay, so this is a tweet that we want to share, to embed. Now we just copy this code. Please copy it. Next, go back to our author. Create new post. Okay, edit something, we add something, and then we click on the source. It can be anywhere in the post, actually, in author. Right, then you can right click and paste there, and then to see the result, okay, once again we just click on the source here. Right, so again when we click on this, another tab will be launched. That is, okay, it can be accessed through this Twitter, okay, platform. So okay, in this part of the video, okay, the tutorial, I already showed you, okay, some of the web-based contents, okay, from Twitter, from Instagram, okay, this is from video from Facebook, and then FB status. Okay, this is slideshare presentation, and this is YouTube. Okay, guys, so actually we can do so much in author. So all the best. Thank you very much. See you next time. Okay, bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.